Soyez les bienvenus. Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Now, this time we have the French demonstrative pronouns. Si, susi, sula, esa. So, I put another example how to use sula, demonstrative pronoun po, no? Okay, look at them. Okay, so using susi, sula. Okay? So, look at this with another conversation po tayo. Okay, look. Dialogue set 1. Vous êtes susi o sula? Sabi niya. Sabi niya, vous êtes susi o sula? Sabi niya, hinahanap, you're looking for this or that one? Sabi niya. Ceux-ci sont très frais. Sabi niya. Ceux-ci sont très frais. Ibig sabihin, it means que this one is fresh. Okay? It smells fresh. Okay. Mabango, sabi niya. Sila plus doux, sabi niya. Mas doux siya, yung malambot ang lasa, hindi maanghang o hindi sa ilong. Okay? So, the saleswoman and customer. Ceci ou cela, sabi niya, celle-ci, cela est plus doux. Okay. Dialogue 2, customer. Sabi niya, Jessit, ça coûte combien? Okay. How much is this? Sabi niya. Cela dépend de la taille, sabi nung babae. It depends on the taille, depends on the size of your perfume. Parfum en français, non? Parfum, perfume. And then, alors, je vais prendre celui-ci, sabi niya. I will take this one. Okay? So, okay, next. Dialogue 3. Set 3. Ceci est notre parfum le plus populaire. Sabi niya, this is our perfume na very popular. This very popular, okay? Itong popular sa aming mga perfume. Sabi niya, et cela, c'est une nouvelle version. Sabi niya, et cela, hinahawakan niya, is holding. And this one, this is a nouvelle version, it's a new one. Bago ba ito? Sabi niya ganun. Oui, et ça plaît beaucoup aux clients, sabi niya. Oui, oo, sabi niya. Yes, ça plaît beaucoup aux clients. Ibig sabihin, the clients appreciate it very well with this kind of perfume. Okay? Yun ang sinabi niya. And then, okay. So, after that, they will discuss if she will take it or not. Okay? So, you will see in here that elle a utilisé ceci ou cela. Sabi niya, this one or that one. Okay? Celui-ci. Sabi niya, this one is better. It smells fresh. Fresh is mabango siya. Sabi niya ganun. Very fresh ang amoy. Okay? And sabi niya, celui-là est plus doux. Mas malambot, mas mabango siya, hindi siya matapang. Okay? And then, yung Jessit is hesitate. Jessit, hesitate. Nagano siya if she's still assistant, if she will take it or not. Okay? How much that it cost? Kung magkano daw yun. So, magkano ba? Sabi niya gano'n. Cela, ça dépend la taille. C'est vrai. Ça dépend la taille kasi depende ho sa sukat, sa quantity. Quantity is quantity. Yung quantity ng iyong perfume. May maliit. We have small, medium, and large. So, it depends on the taille. So, sabi niya, sa depend de la taille, yung size. So, it depends. Kung maliit, mura lang. It's less expensive. But it's bigger, the more expensive it is. Okay? And then, sabi niya, okay, je prends celui-ci. So, she decided to take it. So, nag-decision siya na kukunin niya na yun. Okay? So, ceci, c'est notre parfum le plus populaire. She's showing it that the perfume is very popular. Okay? So, because it's popular and cela, c'est une nouvelle version, sabi niya. So, it's nouvelle version ba to? Bago ba to? New. Bagong version ba to? Oui, sabi niya ganun. Kasi gustong-gusto yan ng mga clients namin. Our clients like that very much. Okay? So, ganun lang po yung susi. Pag when you are holding susi sa harap mo o dun sa malay, sula, susi, sula. Okay? Esa, como vous préparez. Okay? Pwedeng gamitin din yung tatlo. You can use the three. Susi, sula, o sa. Okay? So, yun po yung ating demonstrative pronoun. using susi, sula, isa. I hope it's clear with our example, and please don't forget to like, subscribe at the comment po for more videos.